Hello, Keith. Stephen here, Bavarian Motor Repairs. Got done with the testing on the throttle actuators. It looks like the one that is over here more towards the driver's side of the engine bay was the one that the other shop replaced, and that one is passing. And the other one on here looks to be original. Underneath my finger here, that is the connector that goes down to the assembly. That is the one that is failing. It is sticking intermittently. When it runs the test, you'll see a screenshot. A couple of the items are saying not okay. It does various different tests to check it, and they're being intermittent. So I used to work on these back in my dealer days years ago, and these actuators are like the #1 failure on these throttle cars. Power and ground is good. They are being operated, but like I said, they are dragging and intermittently hanging up. So we are going to recommend to replace that actuator. And then there is a teach-in kind of calibration procedure that needs to be performed to get them to operate properly. And we also have some dirt and debris on the back side of the throttle butterflies. Sorry, I paused the video real quick, turn the key off. As you can see, is a little bit of carbon and dirt on the back side of the throttle butterflies. I am going to clean all 8 of the throttle butterflies, get that little dirt and debris off there as best I can. That way nothing can be sticking. As you can see, it's right on the edge there, that black carbon. Once that gets on there, it can kind of make these things stick and work really hard and cause some glitches, if you will. So that's going to be a part of my repair procedure as well. And I'm also going to replace the air filter in the car. I'll take a picture of it here shortly. The air filter is dirty, and definitely need fresh clean air in there. Do not need to let any dirt particles get in there, and that can make these guys stick and overwork extra hard. What I'm also going to put on the ticket is a supplement. It's going to be an optional recommendation. Go ahead and replace these crankcase vent valves as an optional repair process. These guys control the pressures on the engine for crankcase pressures, and it needs to be optimal in order to have all of the oil drain back to the back of the car. As you can see, we are developing some oil leaks up here on the valve covers as well. So they're only going to get worse. They're not going to get any better. But if crankcase pressures are not held in check properly, it can put extra pressure on the seals and push some oil out of them actually once the pressure rises too much. So that's going to be an optional recommendation from us, just to see if you want to really get this engine running in tip-top shape while we're here. And of course, since we already had the intake manifold off, it'll be a little bit of reduced labor, so it'll be beneficial in that regard. So I'm gonna go ahead and document all the testing that we have done, send you some additional pictures as well, with some things pointed out. As always, you're in great hands here at Bavarian Motor Repairs.